In this episode, Engine Joe, my 1959 Ford F100, is getting new LED lights in the instrument cluster. Yeah, he's getting an upgrade. Let's get right to it. Completely different from the old incandescent. Wow, that looks nice. That in the video. Next I got this great kit from KCSL Parts. Here, check it out. For $20 you get all of your LED lights, replacement upgraded LED lights for your instrument cluster bulbs. This is paint. I chose the red. There you go. For the gauge needles. A couple of covers for the two dummy lights. What else? Ooh. Look at that. And a decal from KCSL Parts, matching my 59 hood badge. And lastly, colored lenses for the left and right turn signal and the high beams. Let's install it. Well, most important thing first. Let's put this on the old toolbox. That is going to look good. Let's see, what do you think? Right there. Sweet. Okay, on to the project. Okay, let's get that instrument cluster out. And get in behind there. Here, check this out. Okay, back of the dash. Here's where the bulbs are. They just, well, they're supposed to. Just, there we go, pop right out of there. Like that. And we'll go ahead and put that LED light in instead. Just pop that one right out of there. Twist and pull. New one goes in, exactly the same kind of bayonet base. Just like that. Replace them all. Won't bore you with that part. Here we go. Okay, now 4 screws to take the bezel off of the cluster. Oops, get that off there carefully. And there we go. And you don't want to drop that glass. I don't want to drop that glass. And with the bezel off, you can see the LED lights here. And I did already apply the needle paint. Looks really good. But let's see, lights on. There you can see the lights in there behind. Looks good. Blinker. Yep, don't need blinker fluid. Okay, so here's the back of the unit. Got some old tape here holding these guys on. Ugh. But there's these little clips right here. And on those little clips is where this guy attaches, and that isolates the light. Okay, on the high beam, there's the red lens. Let's see if I can get that on there without messing things up too bad. I don't know if I can do it one-handed. Nope, I can't. Okay, and then the left and right turn signal markers. Looks like a guy just kind of drew that on with some permanent marker on some tape. Let's go ahead and maybe change that from a red to a green. Okay, that looks pretty good. Little duct tape for the solution. Heck of a lot better than this. Okay, let's install it and see how it looks. Okay, all installed. Just got to put a few more screws in, but I wanted to see. Let's go. Okay, turn the ignition over. That light comes on. Ooh, I like the color of that LED. It's completely different from the old incandescent. Wow, that looks nice. This is the original cluster with LED lighting. That is so cool. Okay. Oh, sweet. Left turn signal. Right turn signal, of course. Okay, and High beams. Let's do that again. There we go. High beams. All right, that really looks good. Thank you to KCSL Parts for that great little kit. Totally recommend them. This entire kit cost $20. On to the next project.